working on the new building, guys? Great job, Dane. You're gonna build it in no time. What's happening? Oh no! Zitron turned them giant and evil! They're destroying everything! Help! Looks like Zitron is creating an army. You have to stop them, Robo! Come on, let's get them! Oh, you're gonna need something to distract them. They're following Edna! Now's your chance, Robo! This chaos is about to be over, Zitron. You almost got it! Is that Edna? Oh no, she's trapped! She needs your help, Robo! Oh no! The wrecking ball is going to hit Edna! Great job! Now let's get Edna out of the trap. Where did they go? They're heading for the city! You have to get to them before they destroy Car City! What a mess! Oh no! They're terrorizing the Car City inhabitants! There's Zitron! You need to stop him! Edna, Robo, it's time to fuse! Robo Edna is here to save Car City. You need to get Gary and Carrie first. Nice one, Robo! Now let's stop Zitron. Say goodbye to your army. This mayhem is over. You did it, Robo Edna! You saved Car City! Not so fast, Zitron. Finally, everyone's back to normal. That's it, Zitron. Clean up the mess you caused. Hi, guys. Wow, great job. You'll be okay, Sonny. Watch out, guys. Zitron is over there. Run! Run now! Robo! How nice to see you! Frank needs your help! Yes, you must follow Frank! It seems that he's gone. You can't do it that way. You need more water and power. Frank, do you want to fuse with Robo?
Hey.
Wow! Robo Frank to the rescue! Yes, I think that might work. Easy, easy. Almost done. Well done. But you still have to free Amber. What are you waiting for? Time to start, Robo Frank. You are an expert with the water gun. And now, let's find Zitron and stop it. Hey, look over there! Zitron has passed this way! And look, there's another one! If you follow them, you will reach Zitron. Robo Frank, look who's there! Watch out, Robo Frank! Very good! Are you okay? Very good! Are you okay? As long as you have the water gun, Zitron can't do anything. Oh no! He froze the water gun! It's not working! You have to do something! Oh no! Your leg! This is bad! Really bad! What's that? Matilda? What are you doing here? Amber? Have you also come to help Robo Frank? Thank you, Amber! He's going to shoot you again! Bullseye! Looks like you're the one who's going to be frozen in the end. Where are you going, guys? Wow! What are you doing? Strike! That's how you learn not to freeze people, Zitron. Villains better be in jail. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Walter. Are you ready for the parade? Let's go then! Hooray! What are you up to, Zitron? Rodeo and Booster will be here in a minute. You have no chance. Rodeo! Booster! Zitron just ran away! Quick! It's time to merge! Yay! A parade! So nice to see you, Robo. Let's find Zitron. He must hide somewhere. Well, he must be somewhere else. Well, it would be perfect for the party. It was a trap! You won't get away with this, Zitron! Look! Over here!
Hey!
Carrie! What happened? Then who's under the ghost disguise? Jerry! That was you? There's still time to find Zitron. Let's go! Faster, Robo! Faster! Wow! Amazing, Robo! Who will you merge with this time? Good defense. You can run, but you can't hide, Zitron. Catch him, Robo. What a move, Robo! You're a superhero! You well deserve that pie, Robo. Even you, Zitron. Great job, Gary. Let's get the city clean. Now the next one. Look! What's wrong with that canister? That's so strange. Where is it going? Of course, it's Zitron with another one of his evil plans. Careful. He's stealing all the city's canisters to have more power. We have to stop him. That's right. Robo will help us. Good thinking, Gary. Robo, we need your help. Zitron has been using his Hoover to steal everything in the city. He's taking all the canisters. There he is. Zitron, stop what you're doing. You'll see. Robo, the canister. Yes, that was great. He's He's trying to escape! Chase him! He's stealing another one! Quick! You're amazing! Uh-oh. Careful, Robo! Zitron put his Zitronic at maximum power! I don't like how this looks. He's absorbing everything! You have to stop him, Robo! He wants the canister! Hold tight, Robo! His Zitronic is too strong! Don't blame yourself, Robo. You did your best!
Yeah!
He's getting away! What are we going to do?
Huh?
Oh, he's going to the plaza. He's going to take the power crystal to achieve maximum power. You have to do something, Robo.
Uh-huh.
Of course. Great idea. Gary, do you want to fuse with Robo? Are you ready, guys? Now, go get Zitron, guys. Not so fast. You thought we were going to give up? Come on! You can do it this time, Robo! Yes! You did it! Oh no! Zitron is about to absorb the power crystal! He will steal all the city's energy! You must do something!
Uh-huh.
What are you doing? There's no time to lose!
Uh-huh.
What are you gonna do with that? Oh, I see! That was a great idea! You wanted to block Zitron's Hoover with the bat! It's working! You made it! The streets are clean now. Now, time for the trash. Keep it up, Zitron. That's what you get for being a thief. The city is safe once again. Having fun, guys?
Huh?
Nighttime already?
Oh.
Bobby, Edna, it's too late. Time to go to sleep. You can play again tomorrow. Good night. Sleep well. It's no time for playing. Look at how late it is. Zitron, leave the boat back on the water. It's Bobby's toy. You are a thief, Zitron. Good morning. Yes, cars. Your toys were stolen. Robo, can you get them back? Get the toys back, Robo! Well done! The toys are back! Oh no! Bobby's boat is still missing! Good eye, Robo! Get him! Zitron dropped the toy! Yes! Now let's give it back to Bobby. What's that? He's using his Zitronic to steal the toy again! Oh no! He's going to steal the other toys again! Stop it, Zitron! He got them, Robo! You must stop him and get them back! Bobby, do you want to fuse with Robo? Let's go! Cool! Now, let's face that evil Zitron. Shoot the harpoon, Robo! Do you want this, Zitron? Come get it! Fast, Robo Bobby! He's getting close! Cannonball! Looks like you need a boat. Now, let's take them back. Here you go, Edna. And here's your boat, Bobby. Guys, do you want to play all together? That's so much fun!